Ever tried searching for your favorite streaming service, only to find a dozen different apps with similar names? It's a common frustration in today's crowded streaming landscape, especially when you're trying to figure out if that one specific platform, Neon, is available on your Roku device. You've heard about its exclusive shows, maybe seen some buzz online, and now you're wondering if you need to buy a new device just to watch it. The answer to "Is Neon on Roku?" isn't a simple yes or no, because there are a few different Neon-related channels or content on Roku, and it depends on what Neon you're actually looking for. Let's break it down. First, and most importantly, if you're talking about Neon, the New Zealand-based streaming service which is a subsidiary of Sky Network Television, then no, you won't find a dedicated Neon app in the Roku channel store. This specific Neon offers content from Warner Brothers, HBO, NBC Universal, and other major studios, but it's primarily designed for the New Zealand market and isn't directly compatible with Roku devices outside of that region, or even within it via a dedicated Roku app. While you might be able to cast content from your phone or tablet to your Roku if you have the Neon app on your mobile device, it's not a native Roku channel experience. However, if you've stumbled upon other Neon-related listings in the Roku channel store, you might be seeing something else entirely. For example, there's Neon Cinema. This is a completely different channel, developed by Bitscene Technologies, and it offers a selection of movies and TV shows. It's not the subscription service from New Zealand. Think of it as a curated collection of films and series, distinct from the main Neon platform. Then there are titles like Neon the TV Show, which is a comedy drama about three friends trying to make it in the reggaeton world. This show is actually available to stream on Netflix, and since Netflix is a widely available app on Roku, you can certainly watch Neon the TV Show on your Roku device through your Netflix subscription. Similarly, movies like The Neon Highway or Neon Tank are also available on Roku through various other streaming services that are Roku compatible, such as Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV, or free ad-supported channels like Fawsome. You might even come across niche channels like Neon Lights, a screensaver, or Neon Cross Ministries, a faith-based channel. These are clearly not the Neon streaming service we're discussing, but highlight how a common word like Neon can appear in many different contexts within the Roku ecosystem. So, to reiterate, if you're hoping to find the full-fledged Neon, New Zealand, streaming service as a standalone app on your Roku, you'll be disappointed. It's not available in that capacity. However, if you're looking for specific content named Neon or other Neon-branded channels, there's a good chance you can find them through existing, widely available Roku apps or alternative Neon-named channels that offer different content. It really boils down to being specific about which Neon you're referring to. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.